Viruses, they're everywhere. They come in different sizes and shapes, yet all are very small. How small? Well, if a person was the size of a flu virus, they and almost half of the world's human population could fit on top of a pencil eraser. Yep, that's pretty small. Even when we get a good look at viruses, they are tricky to peg. They mutate and evolve at different speeds. Viruses have to replicate quickly and spread to as many host cells as possible before your immune system stops them. And spreading between hosts is pretty easy. It happens a lot of ways. The most common, good old-fashioned sternutation, or sneezing. Like it or not, many of us ingest and inhale millions of viruses every day. Usually we're fine, but sometimes we get sick. Take, for example, influenza. The flu virus, covered in little spikes, travels towards a host cell. These spikes attach to the receptors on the cell's surface. Once latched on, the virus is granted entry through the cell's membrane. The virus wastes no time releasing its genetic material into the cell. This hijacks the cell's reproductive system, forcing it to make millions of virus copies that leave the cell and spread to other parts of the host. To take command of a cell, the virus needs to be strong, but not so strong as to damage the cell's ability to function. It's a delicate dance with a constantly mutating virus. There's always a chance that a random mutation may help it survive. So our bodies put up a defense, which is aided by vaccines. The virus mutations require new flu vaccines to be developed every year, where researchers seek to develop a universal vaccine for better protection against all strains of flu. Still, vaccines that catch the virus at its source are difficult to develop, so keeping the flu bug at bay rests in our preferably washed hands. Keeping healthy and going to the doctor when sick is key. And when it comes to sneezing, remember, it's all in the elbow. No, seriously, it is. Put it in the elbow.